Now we have to convert this sampled value into a quantization level, the nearest quantization level which will be near to a sample value. The nearest quantization level to a minus 0.5 is a minus 0.5. So next is 1.4. The nearest quantization level is 1.5, not 2, because 1.4 is nearest to 1.5. Same, here is cut the value sample at a 1.3. The nearest quantization level is 1.5 and 2 is not a sufficient value or a nearest value. Next is minus 0.7. Then the nearest quantization level will be a 0.5. Now we have to check the what will be the code number ascending or arranging to the nearest quantization level. For 0.5, here is a code number, that is 1. For 1.5, here is a quantization code number, that is 3. So here on we are arranging all the code numbers corresponding to a sample value or a nearest quantization level. So last one is we have to change in a binary representation. In binary, 1 stands for a 001, 3 stands for a 0011, 3 stands for 0011 and 1 stands for 001. We have to transmit that binary signals into a digital medium, that will be in a form of a digital signal. If we are changing 001, then 0, 0, 0, 1, we have to transmit 000 sleep time and 1 will be a peak time. So here we are discussing about a PCM system. Thank you for listening me, and for more information log on to grokpo.com. Hello everyone, myself Mayanka, Assistant Professor in Biani Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today I am delivering my lecture on behalf of grokpo.com. My topic of the lecture is PCM. Basically, before starting a PCM, I am just delivering the information about a communication. Why we need communication? For delivering information, for expressing our views in an area where we want to transmit. In electronics media, we transfer information from one medium to another medium. Medium would be a wireless or a free space. There would be a transmitter and other a receiver. There will be a communication, both of them. So why we are using communication? That's all. Why communication travels through a long distance? There is another technique, that is modulation. Modulation is a technique where we are transferring information, a low frequency carrier signal to a high frequency carrier signal. In a basic scenario or a real life scenario, example is if we want to travel through a train will carry us, not we carry a train, because train is a high frequency carrier signal and ourself, a person, is a low frequency signal. That is a medium or a transmitting information signal. So information will be in a form of a continuous signal or a digital signal. PCM basically stands for a pulse analog signal. Pulse analog will be a analog signal or a digital signal. So when we transfer information in a digital signal, we have to sample that signal. Before sampling, the signal is in an analog form. After sampling, that signal changes in a digital form. But the medium or the range is also in a continuous manner. For that, we use quantization. After quantization, we make a system, that is PCM. PCM is a pulse code modulation system. We have to transmit an analog signal into a new digital signal. So we have to firstly convert the analog signal to a sample, then sample in a quantization form. If we want in an analog pulse modulation, then sample is sufficient. If we want quantized signal, we have to change in a quantization level. Here we are discussing M is equal to stand for 2. M is equal to quantization level. We have to transmit information in a positive and a negative cycle. If there is a number, analog signal cut at a level, that is a level is minus 0.3. The level or a dark line indicating the our sampled value, that is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and the quantization level are minus 1.5, 0.5, 0.5 and 1.5. Firstly, we have to change the signal in a sample, then sample converts into a quantization level, then each quantization level have to cut in a code number. We have assigned a particular code number to each quantization level. If minus 2 stands for a sample, then the nearest quantization level between minus 1 and minus 2 will be a minus 1.5 and the code number is 0. So here cuts a point, that point indicates a minus 0.3. The level is sample value is minus 0.4, next value cut on a 1.4, next point cut on a 1.3, next is 0.7.